Minimize thermal bridging by applying a simple thumb rule. Continuous insulation equals fewer heat losses through studs and frames. Start by understanding that thermal bridging happens when conductive materials bypass insulation, so position continuous exterior insulation to cover the studs and framing without gaps. When using continuous exterior insulation, choose materials with a proven R value per inch and install them with sealed joints and mechanical fastening that do not compress the insulation. For headers and rim joists, use insulated headers or built-up insulated assemblies so the header depth matches or exceeds adjacent insulation depth to avoid cold spots. Where balconies or metal connectors penetrate the envelope, add thermal breaks made of low conductivity materials such as high-density rigid foam or composite thermal isolators to interrupt the heat path. Adopt advanced framing techniques like two stud corners and aligned framing to reduce the number of studs and increase cavity insulation effectiveness while maintaining structural performance. Finally, specify high-performance windows with warm edge spacers and thermally broken frames, and install them in a way that they are integrated with the continuous exterior insulation plane using flashing and compatible tapes to maintain the air and thermal barrier. 3 common mistakes are compressing or interrupting the continuous exterior insulation and leaving gaps that create new thermal bridges. And you fix that by detailing fastening patterns and using tapes or liquid membranes to seal seams. Another issue is using non-insulated headers or oversizing metal connectors that transfer heat, and the remedy is to design insulated headers and use thermal break hardware or isolate metal with insulating pads. The third problem is poorly integrated windows and penetrations that bypass the exterior insulation layer, and you solve that by setting windows within the insulation plane when possible, flashing to the insulation, and ensuring airtight transitions with compatible sealants and tapes. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project examples that relate directly to reducing thermal bridging in home construction. So, we help people find teams experienced with continuous exterior insulation and thermal breaks. We also provide a community discussion area where contractors and homeowners share tips, ask questions, and post real-world solutions that help match needs with services.